Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be changing out some things in my living room area. And the colors that I'll be using are black and white and just a touch of silver. I will be adding a pop of color. It's not going to be a lot of color, but just a touch of color, and you will see that in the video. And also any links that I have, I will post in the description box so you will know where I purchased the items. So I'm going to start off with my chair and my sofa. And they are from American Signature Furniture. So I'm going to use these black and silver pillows that are from ZGallerie. And if you watch my channel, you have seen these numerous times. So I'm going to add these white pillows. These are pillow covers that I purchased on Amazon. So I'm just going to add those along the side of the black pillows. So when you purchase these pillow covers, be sure to buy you some pillow inserts. You can also find those on Amazon. And the size of all these pillows, they are 24 by 24. So I'm just going to mix them up. I'm going to do the black, then the white, then the black, then a white, and then the black again. Now, buying pillow covers, it saves a lot of money, and I will post the links in the description box for the pillow covers, but I think it's a much easier way to give your living area or your bedroom area a quick refresh. Like I said, they're very inexpensive. These white ones are faux silk. I'm going to add this ginger jar to my coffee table. This is a new purchase that I bought from Inspire Me Home Decor. I don't know if you heard of that before, but they have some really nice items, so you can check out their website, and I will post a link in the description box also. So this ginger jar, they do have different sizes. This one that I purchased is the biggest one that they have. It is an extra large, and then it goes to the large size, medium, and then small. And I did see some on Amazon. They're not as big, but I will post the link in the description box also. These florals that I'm using are from Michaels. And I bought these after Christmas, even though they don't look like they're a part of Christmas, but they were. I got them for 80, I think it was 80 or 90% off. But they're like a pink color, and I thought it'd be perfect for the spring. So I will be using these all year around. I just think they're so pretty. So I'm just working it out. And I'm going to add more because I do want a full look. And you can add these to any kind of vase that you may have. They do have different colors, but I think these kind are more easy to work with. You don't have to put the floral foam on the inside if you don't want to. So this is my candle that is from Bath and Body Works. This is Champagne Toast.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, yeah. 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.